Capillary rise. The rise and fall of a liquid in a capillary tube is called capillarity. Some applications of capillarity are: towels soak water on account of capillarity. Oil rises in the long narrow spaces between the threads of the wick as they act as a capillary. Consider a vertical capillary tube of circular cross-section with radius A inserted into an open vessel of water. The contact angle between water and glass is acute. Thus, the surface of water in the capillary is concave. As a result, there is a pressure difference between the two sides of the top surface. This is given by Pi minus Po is equal to 2S upon R, which gives 2S upon A sec theta, which gives 2S upon A cos theta, equation 1, where R is equal to radius of capillary tube, theta is equal to angle of contact, S is equal to surface tension of liquid. Thus, the pressure of the water inside the tube just at the meniscus air-water interface is less than the atmospheric pressure. Consider the 2 points A and B at same pressure. Po plus H rho g is equal to Pi is equal to Pa. Equation 2, where rho is equal to density of water, H is equal to capillary rise. H rho g is equal to Pi minus Po, which is equal to 2S cos theta upon A, by using equations 1 and 2. Therefore, the capillary rise is due to surface tension. It is larger for a smaller radius.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.